Hello, we're gonna plan makeup today. I have no clue what is going to happen. I kind of, sort of. Oh, hey, I'm Shamario. If this is your first time here, I'm just jumping right into it. I don't really have a vision for what's about to happen, but we're just gonna play and see what happens. I don't know how much I'll be talking throughout this. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've said it before and I'll say it again, my looks are super easy, so I don't do anything complicated because I can't, and I often don't try. So again, we're just gonna kind of wing it and see what look we come up with. I kind of sort of have an eye look in mind, kind of, but it's color and I don't know if I'm in the mood for color. I'm using Lancome's foundation. I am in the shade 435 Bisque, B-I-S-W. I think it's short for bisque, but I could totally be making that up. But it's 435 B-I-S-W. I haven't worn a full face of foundation in forever. Oh, you know what I meant to do first? I meant to do my brows first. I don't normally do my brows first, but I've just got them. Well, actually, no, I think I should be fine. I think that I should do my brows first when they haven't been arched so that I can fill them in with concealer. But I got them arched recently, so we should be good. So I just realized you're supposed to let this primer sit for a little bit before you apply foundation, and I did not do that. I just went right in. Also, I'm realizing that I'm having to go in. This is my third coat of foundation because I'm trying to cover up these daggone acne scars that will not let me be great. Yeah, I should have waited to put my foundation on. I know better. I just kind of wanted to get in there, just dive in. Apparently, is what's happening. So now we're just blending, trying not to look unblended. this looks better than, because I was scared. I'm not even gonna lie. I was scared at how this foundation was coming together, but the setting spray is bringing everyone together, putting everyone in harmony, which is what we want. And I can't be the only person who puts a bonnet on for setting spray, only because you never know, you know. And I just, you know, we just got the dew done. That's not what we gonna do. We not gonna risk getting the dew messed up. So these are all my, this is a combination of eyeliners, brow pencils, brow pencils. Damn, is that it? Lip pencils. There are a couple lip pencils in here, I see. I'm just looking for a brow pencil though. This isn't my shade, but I'm gonna go, I do want to use it still. It's a little darker than than the shade I normally go, but I did want to use my minted brow pencil. So there's that. You know how you see your setting spray kind of splotching? I'm just taking a damp sponge and just going over the potential splotchy areas. But yeah, my skin was just looking kind of crazy, and I was afraid, but it looks like setting spray came to the rescue. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because it's really nothing spectacular, so I'll be back. Okay, I think I just did a whole thing not recording. I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, I was showing y'all this eye look that I'm going to attempt to create. Jackie Aina did a live, and this was the eye look that she had on, so of course I had to do some screenshots and do my best to recreate it. I'm taking Ginger from the ABH Jackie Aina collab. That's one of my favorite, if not my favorite, transition shade at the moment. So that's what we're going in with. I wonder, should I use the eye primer? I haven't used eye primer in a while. Do y'all use eye primer for your lids or not? I'm hoping that the lighting doesn't look crazy because it is going to rain in Atlanta, because apparently Atlanta's Florida now and we get rain a lot. And then the sun will be out 5 minutes after that. So that's fun. Insert sarcasm. Yeah, and it just started raining. The brush that I am using to blend this in is a Morphe E27. I've had this one for a while, and I'm literally just grasping at brushes because some of my favorite brushes for eyeshadow and foundation and all of that for makeup application are needing to be washed. So I'm just doing my best to blend. I'll bring it up just a little bit so it won't be above the crease. Okay, at this point, we're just kind of winging it. I'm gonna try and deepen it up with Spicy, the shade here. This is from the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. I don't have a lot of purples. And this is just an Ulta, it says it's a crease brush. Clearly I'm thinking of something different. Should I turn this light off? No, because you looked up. Feel as though I almost look too pale. Okay. I keep doing this thing where I'll have this whole monologue and then I'm not recording and I don't realize it because the camera that I used to record my videos with would make a little noise when you record, and this one just does the red dot on the screen, and I'm just not trained to look out for that red dot, so I'll just start talking and then realize that, wait, it's been 2 minutes and you weren't recording. I was also saying how I spent a lot of time on my eyeshadow and now I'm kind of over it. Like, now I'm tired and I don't feel like putting on lashes. I don't feel like putting on a lip. I really just need to eat. Maybe had I eaten first, I wouldn't be so over it. Okay. Getting a little clumpy. I'm using, what is this? L'Oreal. Is this L'Oreal? Am I making up stuff? No, it's L'Oreal Intense. Wait. It's L'Oreal Oversized Eye. It says Bambi, so I'm guessing it's some kind of Disney situation. I may just keep it like this and do a little lip and some highlighter. I'll wait and see. I'm so tired. I think I'm just getting hangry. But we're gonna finish this out. This is, you can't see. This is Mood by Dose of Colors. She cute. She cute.